Hi everyone, you're watching a short tutorial about how to create facility service requests in Maximo. But first I need to point out that if there is an emergency, please call the District Security Operations Center. Once you're logged into your workstation, just double click on the Maximo desktop icon, and if you don't have a Maximo desktop icon, you can contact the service desk and they will add one for you. And when Maximo opens, you want to be sure to select the Self-Service tab for your service requests. To create a service request, I just click on the Create Service Request link, and it takes me to the Create Service Request application. The Create Service Request application is pretty simple. I just need to add a summary and some details, designate a location where the work is to be performed, and submit it. So let's give it a summary. And I'm going to fill in some details. And the more details the better, so the people working to fulfill your request won't need to contact you for more information. And I need to pick a location, so I'm going to click the Select Value icon and select Ephrata Headquarters. And now I will scroll down. And I can pick a priority, but it's not required. And now I can add an attachment to this service request if I want to. To do that, I click the Attach File button. I need to select a file, and I will go out to where the file is that I want to attach. I'll just use this as an example. Click OK, and now I've attached a file to my service request. So I'll click the Submit button, and I get a dialog box asking me what I'd like to do next, and I'm going to return to the Start Center. To view the service request I've submitted, there's a couple different ways. I'll show you View Service Requests here in the Start Center. Now my list of service requests is not very long, there's only 7 of them, but there could be a lot more, and that's where these filter fields come in handy. And when I click the Find button, it should narrow down the list of results based on whatever criteria I put in these filter fields at the top of this grid. Now to open one of these, I just click on the underlined link, and I can view my service request. So let me now show you one of the previous requests I had submitted that had gone through the process. So I'm going to use the Previous Record button here to view one of my previous service requests, and I want to draw your attention to the log section of this service request, because it shows me the work order that was created from my service request and when the status was changed for the work order. You should also know that you should receive an email when the work order is created, and then another email when the work order is completed. When I'm finished viewing this service request, I can search for more service requests by clicking the Search button, or I can go back to the Start Center and log out of Maximo. And this concludes the tutorial on facility service requests in Maximo.